everyone. This video is about an introduction to Pavez's new skincare products, including a balancing cleansing lotion, a balancing facial toner, and a revitalizing all-in-one essence that is both a cream and a serum. I'm so excited to introduce our new range of skincare products to Pavez. So we have here 3 new products, including the Balancing Cleansing Lotion, the Balancing Facial Toner, and the Revitalizing All-in-One Essence, which is a cream and a serum. Now this product was created for people with sensitive skin, allergy-prone skin, and people with rosacea, but it can be used on people with acne and also people who have dry skin and oily skin, so it's balancing. So I'm going to show you how we use these products, starting with the cleansing lotion. Now I personally use the cleansing lotion only in the evening. You can also use it in the morning as well. And how we apply it: get a piece of damp cotton wool, apply a little bit of the cleansing lotion to the damp cotton wool, and I clean my eyes first, and you simply go across from out to in on the lid, over and under. So I do that, and then I do the other side, up, under. So cross, up, under. Then I get the cleansing lotion on both pieces of pads, and then I clean the rest of my face with firm strokes up and out on the face, with the exception of the nose. And then I go down on the neck. So I do that a couple of times until I have nothing, no makeup or no dirt on the pads. Next we have the toning lotion. Now we have developed this balancing facial toner. You can also keep using your calming facial toner as well. But the calming facial toner has got just the rose hydrosol in, which is really good for the skin. We also have something called cucumber hydrosol, which we've introduced, and this is really good for firming the skin. So specifically good if you've got aging skin. Now the balancing facial toner has both the cucumber and the rose hydrosol in it, as well as witch hazel. And we also have some essential oils, so it's very good for oily and for dry skin. And to use it, how I use it, I get my pieces of cotton wool again. I simply put a little bit of toner onto the cotton wool, and then I go across the eye from out to in, up, under, and do the rest of the face. So I just tone in the morning. I don't cleanse in the morning because I feel it's really fresh. Now, if you wish and you've got a little bit of puffiness underneath your eye, then I would suggest placing the pads just on the eyes for a few seconds in order to bring the puffiness down. So the next thing I do in the morning after toning is then I apply my Revitalizing All-in-One Essence. It's so light you can use it on the eyes, and to use this you just simply press and you get a little bit of cream on top, and then I use my ring finger and I just apply from the eye in exactly the same way as we did the cleansing and the toning. So across, up, under. You can use pressure here, you can use pressure there, but don't use any pressure on the eyelid itself. And then I do the same thing on the other side. So across, up, under, across, up, under. Pressure, pressure. You can even tap a little bit if you want, but the more you do of this, the better you will get the firmness coming and the drainage happening underneath your eyes. Then I get the rest of the cream and just apply to the forehead and the rest of the face. It's a lovely cream, it's very light, and very soothing as well. And it's a perfect preparation if you're applying makeup, but it's not necessary for makeup either. So that is what I do to use my products. Of course, if you feel the need to use the other products, they are all excellent as well. Or you can mix and match the cleansing lotion, the toning lotion, or the other cleansers and toners with the revitalizing moisturizer. If you feel you need any extra moisturizing, you can always use, say, the sensitive cream moisturizer or the ultra firming as well.